Hi, I'm Jerry James Stone, and in today's video, I'm going to show you everything you need to know to make the perfect overnight oats. Now, there's a lot of recipes out there, but this actually just gives you the tools for doing it yourself. So if you want to mix and match and kind of create your own, this is what you need to know in order to do it. So let's get to it, okay? You can use steel cut, I guess, if you wanted to, but the problem is that steel cut oats, they don't really quite soften as needed overnight. Whatever you do, don't use instant oats as they will completely dissolve. The other thing that's really important is making sure that you have enough liquid. You want to have at least twice as much liquid as you do oats, because if you don't have enough liquid, then the oats aren't going to soften enough overnight. I definitely recommend adding a pinch of salt. If you want to add some crunch to your overnight oats, definitely don't add the nuts until just before eating. The same can be said for most fruit. One exception to the crunch rule is chia seeds. You can definitely add those the night before. Bananas are the one fruit that goes both ways. You can actually add them before or after. If you're adding them before, you want to mash them up with a fork so it's fully incorporated into the oat and milk mixture, and that's it. Just remember, if you like your oats to be sweet, you want to add in a little bit more sweetener than you're used to, because colder foods don't taste as sweet as warmer foods. After your oats are ready, just pull them out of the fridge and be sure to stir them. You want to make sure that you mix it all together before enjoying that delicious, tasty porridge. So that's all it takes to make your perfect overnight oats. Just follow those tips and tricks and those ratios, and every single time you'll have the perfect breakfast, and you didn't have to do anything. Super easy, right? That's the best thing about overnight oats. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If it's something you want to see, drop a comment, and I'll see you guys next time.